Membrane vs mechanical.
Membrane keyboards are more affordable, having a lower cost.
The membrane keyboards are more quiet, creating less disturbing noises in the public.
But remember, all of our membrane keyboards has a mechanical feel to it, creating a better experiences for gamers. Mechanical keyboards allow you to remove your keycap and design your own keyboard. Mechanical keyboards have longer durability compared with membrane keyboards since less damage are done to the keyboard itself.
Last but not least, hit likes and follow Sympathy for more content!